Hey foodie fam, I'm Chantel and I lost 44 pounds and counting following a plant-based lifestyle. Let's make a quinoa salad perfect for fat loss. A few things that I love about this recipe is that it takes less than 30 minutes to make. It uses the simplest of ingredients and it's also delicious. So for this recipe, I'm using some black beans, quinoa, tricolored, some corn, a few seasonings, fresh herbs, and some vegetable broth, and that's about it. So to start off, I'm going to pour some vegetable broth into a saucepan, and we're going to bring this to a simmer. And of course, I am using my Better Than Bouillon vegetable broth. I absolutely love this stuff. I have it in vegetable, I have it in no chicken broth, and I also have it in no beef broth. It is super flavorful and super easy to use. So we're just going to bring this to a simmer. I'm also going to add in a little bit of garlic powder and a little bit of salt just to give my quinoa some flavor. My vegetable broth is simmering, so now it's time to put in my tricolored quinoa. I made sure to wash my quinoa prior to using it. This just helps eliminate some of that earthy dirt flavor from the quinoa. And we're going to cover this, lower the heat, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. While my quinoa is cooking, I'm going to work on my black beans. So here I just rinse out some canned black beans, and I'm gonna put in a tablespoon of olive oil for some healthy fats. And then I'm going to sprinkle in some seasonings. And here I have some onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, cumin, smoked paprika, and a little bit of salt. And I'm just going to coat the beans with this seasoning blend. And that's about it. My quinoa is finished cooking, and what I like to do is leave it covered for an additional 5 minutes just to get it to steam a little bit to make it nice and fluffy. So now I'm just gonna remove the lid, and I'm gonna use a fork to fluff it up. And to my quinoa, I'm going to add in some fresh cilantro and mix that together to give a little freshness to this dish. Now would be the time where you would put in your corn and your black beans to your cooked quinoa. But for me, I want to do a single serving, so I'm going to mix things individually a little bit. So I have my single serve bowl here, and I'm going to take half a cup of the quinoa, half a cup of the black beans, and then half a cup of the corn. And then I'm going to mix it all together. So this is kind of like a Tex-Mex salad, if you will. And I use the word salad loosely because it is hot, but that's what it is. With this dish, I also like adding in some additional vegetables. Sometimes I'll do fresh cut up cucumbers and tomatoes. Today I'm doing some sauteed onions and peppers that I cooked off screen. I just put it right on the side just for a little extra flavor. And there you have it, my quinoa salad for fat loss. I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy quinoa salad tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes like this one. See you next time.